How to add Visa gift card to Cash App. So it's actually super simple. All you have to do is click on the bank icon in the bottom left corner. Then from here, we should see this option to add cash. So we want to press on it. And here we write the amount that we want to transfer from our Visa gift card to Cash App. So let's do $25. If you want to do a custom amount, you can click on these three dots and you can write the amount. So let's do $25 like I said. And then what's going to happen is it will take you to this screen. So you will have to write your Visa gift card information. So the card number, the expiration date, the CVV, the 3 digits, and the zip code. So after you have done this, then this will be clickable. You want to select link card, and then this will link your Visa gift card to Cash App, and it will transfer the amount that you selected in the previous screen. So that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.